Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Accord remote battery, full guide. Pop the key fob open using a small flathead screwdriver at the seam and lift out the old coin cell carefully. Note the battery orientation and replace it with a new CR2032, pressing the cover back until it snaps. Test the remote at range to confirm locking and unlocking functions are restored. You can reuse the shell if undamaged. Start by removing the small backup key and locating the seam on the plastic shell. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry the halves apart with steady pressure to avoid cracking the clips. Carefully lift the old battery out, keeping track of which side faces up, then drop the new CR2032 into place. Press the case closed until it snaps and test the remote at a few steps distance to ensure consistent response. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick car guides. On another note, quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof meal prep containers that make lunches simple when you are changing batteries in the garage. Look in the description for that product link and other deals to save time and money on kitchen kit. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If the remote still does not work, first reopen the fob and verify the battery is seated correctly and oriented as before. Light corrosion or dirt on the contacts can block power, so clean gently with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab, then let dry. For intermittent signals, test at different ranges and replace the battery again if needed. When all else fails, consider reprogramming procedures or professional diagnostics to rule out circuit damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.